Dear you servant Pandit Fakir Yogi Brother Yogi. Beloved friends, my whole goal is to see the world a better place. And the world will be a better place when it is reflected from every mind of the population who are living on the earth, because it is a human being who controls the entire earth. Birds which invade plants have limitation. They cannot do anything else. They even can be destroyed at the stupidity, cruelty, criminality, greed, anger, hate, jealousy, and cynical thoughts by the human being. So it is the human being who can really govern, control, and make the world a better place, peaceful place, free of war, hate, develop feelings, love, affection, kindness, compassion. And these are all right thinking. If somebody understands what is right thinking, go to some great guru and guide and learn exactly what is right thinking. And I am your one such great guru. I teach you. Right thoughts are universal truth. They are not subjective. They are very, very objective. Like truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, kindness, compassion, honesty, integrity, humility, generosity, sympathy, empathy, understanding. These all needs courage, conviction, determination, willpower to be a perfect human being. And then once you are just like a sun, enlightened, wise, you should never believe and trust others' philosophy and ideas. The world is ignorant today because they are conformist. They have learned from somebody. Thousands and thousands of years back, somebody was born and claimed then to be the greatest, the supreme, the most enlightened. And the suffering, ignorant, indolent humanity accepted them as the most powerful and most wisest. And they never increased their horizon of wisdom and knowledge. And they are still following those philosophies which are irrelevant. Most of the teachings of these people are today false. Example, they said earth is flat, but today earth is known exactly what it is. They all escape from the torture, suffering, killing, massacring of these kind of philosophers and thinkers. People believe today in themselves. They are the wisest, they are the thinkers. They do not imitate. Because trust thyself, man, trust thyself, said by one of the greatest thinkers and philosophers of America, Ralph Waldo Emerson. You have the power of your intelligence, you have the mind, you can perceive the truth, you can believe the truth. And one of the enlightened, most powerful men was Gautama Siddhartha Buddha, who dedicated complete years together to understand the truth. And he taught the world, but never forced them to accept what he said. He only stimulated their intelligence to the perception and belief that you judge yourself, you are blessed with the power of your mind. Intricate and accurate machine, it can know exactly what is right and what is wrong. But the worst thing is people never think. They just follow the path, right or wrong, without judging, without using their intelligence. So the world is victims. I have suffered so much because I trusted and believed everyone. And they were all crooked, they were all criminals, they were cybercrime philosophers. They looted me, plundered me lakhs of rupees. So first lesson, do not believe in anyone. Believe the truth and try to perceive the truth by questioning, by understanding, by knowing details about it. Second, trust thyself. So you master the subject, develop the skill to know the trick of the trade. Suppose you want to be a businessman. What business? Know every detail. What is the source? Who will give the right product? Who will give the right information? I was misled by some criminals who posed to be the businessman. I was misled by some human being who posed to be the most favorite and affectionate and kind person. Never trust, never trust, never trust. Face to face, judge the person, develop the intelligence and wisdom, and then suffering will cease. Kindness will come, affection will come, service will come, but you have to be the supreme, wisest yourself. Nobody is better than you. Believe in yourself. Judge what is truth. Know the truth. Follow the path. And it is very much possible that you will not be trapped, you will not be misled, you will not be cheated. Because see, I am very innocent and very transparent person. I have experienced life as it is truth, being physicist. I never know any false, only truth. But the world is different. The world is dominated by fools, ignorant, indolent, thoughtless, criminals. That's why the war is going on. That's why suffering is there. That's why massacre and murder is there. That's why wholesale destruction is there. And the world is at the verge of nuclear war. Why? They do not know the truth. Truth is love. Truth is kindness, compassion. Treating everyone with feelings as you treat yourself. Thank you, viewers. Enlighten yourself. Arise awake and stop not till you have searched some of the wisest people who know the truth and get stimulated and transform from ordinary mortals to the immortals. That's why in Katha Upanishada 1.3.14 verse aphorism sloka says, "Arise, awake, approach the wisest of the wise who knows nothing but truth, and get stimulated, get transformed, get induced by their wisdom." Uttichat, Jagrat, Prapyo. Thank you, viewers.